From the four corners of Coastal TV studios to all of you out there, Yemobibia Achin, Yemobibia Akaba, about Coastal TV, Morning Makes Jumediano Esso. It's such a beautiful Friday, and we thank God it is Friday. The weekend is here, finally, what all of us have been waiting for. Yes, and I mean, you shall say Monday, yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, Jumasa, your breast. So we need a little breather to keep us calm. Yeah, and this morning, this Friday morning, provides that beautiful opportunity. So you go weekend there. Wow, when him say, you call so that you be refueling for the following week that is about to come. Welcome to the morning mix. Making sure say what is our video and free Coastal TV digital channel 514. Now obekoswa so I share your Facebook and YouTube. Or Facebook no yeah handle na account near Coastal TV Cape Coast. And YouTube so there no Coastal TV and no Cape Coast enka ho. But more than say obeko ho na obe subscribe obe follow na wa share link no e dey am obi send the link no fama obi send be your morning mix jumedi no obi be we say yes ya betina say live and colored into more than no fan video no. And so I has say of course yem fast day dikan ema otumfo nyankopon ye we so ane de bia ma wankasa wo hwe e wo fie e wo adwuma baby a wo hwe bia no ye de bia ma na esan so e de bi ama ya boafo ano pe o ma so ya say yem fa dwumadie yem fa hyehye so emfa emma mo nti ye de aseda no ba kon e kwa ama National Petroleum Authority NPA ye we so ane de ba kon akwa diesel gift shop na ya so na emu odu ba kon so akoma nesto e fe na etwa to kra no so emu odu sa no na ye de ama Patmo print. All right, yeah, the we say with me a journey. Of course, yemfa ye motivational message no, emfa and share ase ani yemfa and share ase fe free ha na ye other segments so ya share ye pese ye de ebesumo nti na make sure on say menu we fidie no emfiese anopa you know asema ye de ehye Friday na se ne de weekend ni mu no a very simple and very sweet. I see every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Bibi bia ubetimi aye anaso sa de bia ubetimi achieve no wo fiti prekope na obedru ho na mom no ebe sha ase free adwempo bia obenya se wo be try obeye ansana sa de kro na wo be achieve no wonsa aka owiase. I hope I'm able to explain this better. All right, but yemfa obi to say Bill Gates yemfa nshas here yemfa nye example anaso say yemfa yema pen John Dramani Mahama yemfa no enye example before say omampeni be na adwen say oba be ye omampeni when fiti prakopa fiti baby na ye be kukuru ni si ade so say omampeni o. He started from somewhere o sha say at least say obeko school na oko school no so I'm just guessing maybe or ye na adwen say obenya obe contest for some positions be e school mu ho nti bia ne course na ne programs a osia nyina no it was geared towards achieving maybe the presidency or becoming a leader in the society. So he started from there and if you know onya certificates no and yeah, maybe public services, getting into other positions like the assemblyman, local government representative be and now unit committee member, he became maybe an organizer for his party. I'm just saying. So and then he went ahead to become let's say DCE, let's say he went ahead to become a member of parliament, and then now he's the president of the nation called Ghana. So process now me say and when fiti preocupa no be your president no shall say free baby and no baby Jew baby. Ni nyina aye ne e kan show say so, opesa wenye doctor, nyame adoma 5 years to come, next 10 years to come. Won fiti prekope na be doctor no, but you have to start from somewhere. I was someone share same free baby and san weju ho. So, last you need to try to be that person. Beka de bia ha say Nyankopon won toma na biem even Nyankopon no won toma na biem enti no sa won sa beka bibia wa abrabo we ma obi a mfa mbre wo there is no magic ebe ma obi e de sa de kro ne e de abro even so obi de bibi bro kra na obey assessment ahwe say asumesi we eh den no hia ansa na de abro so it doesn't just come. How much more your life, your own life that you want to become something in life, no? And no mom no be the show. First of all, you need to make a decision to try. And try, it comes with a whole lot of things. Maybe you will try, you will succeed. Maybe you will try, you will not succeed. But last, make sure that you are trying. Make sure that you're giving your best. Make sure that you are not leaving anything behind. Shasiesa, or try now we'll make sure says we fail crampona, ubesanso I try babe. Who knows? Second, third time, fourth time, fifth time, even 10th time, and no nebe juma. So if you fail, try again. But last, no matter what happens, what dream say, obe try, now obe try so amana ye. That is the motivational message. Coastal TV Morning Mix Friday's edition, this is what we are going into the weekend with. Into and you don't give up. You don't do what? You don't give up no matter what. That is that. Let's call for a short music break. A very short one. Nefe yemfa kase bono yemfa nsum yetie for yakwaba.
Bring it on, bring it on. You, bring it on. You, life know the sweet though, hey. If some people know the hate too, so use the number 6 so and calculate. You go see the ratio. The beef self na me go, whether na asu them relate to. So bring your own crayfish, we go mix so, oh la. Shane and them talk say, we no go blow. Share them they see us now, we don't they glow. Take a look at me now, take a look at me now. We're running things in this town. Can't you see? I don't care who you are, where you're from, or what you do. Just as long as you're chasing money, do what's right, never give up on it. Bring it on, bring it on. Are you ready? Unu ready? No matter how you try, don't you ever fall. Keep your head up high and standing tall. Bring it on, bring it on. Are you ready? Unu ready? No matter how you try, don't you ever fall. Keep your head up high and standing tall. And rising, rising, rising. Keep it high, rising, rising. Bring it on. This life is not easy. So much hustling and puzzling. Everyone is struggling. So make you know they believe, say, since everyone is chasing, you're never gonna make it. Never say no, never give up. Keep your head up, standing tall. And for sure, you go turn it up, turn down for what? Hey, Shane and them talk say, we no go blow. Share them they see us now, we don't they glow. Take a look at me now, take a look at me now. We're running things in this town. Can't you see? I don't care who you are, where you're from, or what you do. Just as long as you're chasing money, do what's right, never give up on it. Bring it on, bring it on. Are you ready? Unu ready? No matter how you try, don't you ever fall. Keep your head up high and standing tall. Bring it on, bring it on. Are you ready? Unu ready? No matter how you try, don't you ever fall. Keep your head up high and standing tall. And rising, rising, rising. Keep it high, rising, rise. I don't care who you are, where you're from, or what you do. Just as long as you're chasing money, do what's right, never give up on it. Bring it on, bring it on. Are you ready? Are you ready? No matter how you try, don't you ever fall. Keep your head up high and standing tall. Bring it on, bring it on. Are you ready? Are you ready? No matter how you try, don't you ever fall. Keep your head up high and standing tall. And rising, rising, rising. Keep it high, rising, rising.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority, ebo obi bia kokose, se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se, okosisa petrol anafa ngo no. E na afin so, menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho, akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures. Na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so, uhua ko wo mu a, enye sunsun asobone, e wo apomeden sem so. Fango so, e ho ahometinti no. Enfom so akitu ebi, ebetumi ameja tom, ama na gise wom. Eba ne saa, nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejuma yefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Memo akwa abasanda sese we fidie no edasuda Coastal TV digital channel 514 na wo hwe wo Facebook ananso se YouTube efei kame ho na yemfa anopai kase ebo no emfa nsome yetiefo ene yahwefo anopai nsema wo beti no ebi ene se Transparency International Ghana abaye town hall meeting bi ewo ogwa Cape Coast nsema ekọ ne isi omani so ano eye corruption kwan ebefa so a yebetu ase krakra na nkomoba ekọ so ni nyina no anopai Coastal TV ye de betu ye manfo ene etiefo enim Samson na 8-year development plan chese mpanyfo aye no launching any fundraising ewo Cape Coast enre ya no ye de nkomobo ni bi ebeto etiefo enim na eba no corruption nsensem ya nso a corruption kese na akoso ewo manmu efe ne se AXA deal no emu nsensem MPP amanyoko ede nsem bi atodwa ewo ho ede no mo kan ye yebekọ ne akwa akotie bi yebesan so akwa edwaman so ne de fuel price ahodo a no pay ye wo no ye de yabre ye tiefo ene yahwefo Mayansha se free town hall meeting Transparency International Ghana ye enrede ya na nsama ekọs wo hono de na edoso bebre ni so ade hunu na esi omani so ani se yebetimi etu corruption enkanka ewo ya pomudin ene ye nwumesua asoyeye no emu na nhwehwemu bi ekọso ewo apomudin ni nwumesua asoyeye no emu no Transparency International eye no ekire se na ekwan bebre wo ho nkrofo betimi afa so aye katasehye ene proye bi ewo mu ne sent na hu hia so ombe sa nhwehwemu no na efe omode nhwehwemu no ne omuhu ye no eba beto omanfo stakeholders ankranko ne nwumeko bebre no anim se ne ebeya yebetimi etu hu anamon na nkoba ne se obi ebefa sa akwan no so aye corruption ananso se waya katasehye bia ewo sa akwan no eso Ora Michael Kwame Buedi ono ene di Transparency International enim na omudi dwumadie ebehhehye so ewo eye Cape Coast Nagrat Credit Union eho ene dwumadie ekọ so ewo ho okansem bebre efa niema mpenfo ehu ebetimi ama obi aye corruption edi corruption edwuma bi ewo apomuden ananso se enwumesua asoye no emu yentie ne okan ne bi
eba ene se Empen bebre no ukase yareko katasesha eye dodo na adwen ne se eye abamufo eye nipaku bi na ye won asede se yeko katasesha na mum ye de kyerehye eba kyerɛ mu se enye nipaku bi nkoa na ye won asede na mum eye omamba pa bia na sede so oboa na yetu katasesha esesa na ufa eye health eye apomuden ene huma sua so eye two service areas Ghana ni bia no ehukom Ghana ni bia nso ehu enya ho faso enti ye nhwehwemu kakra ehwe se akwan ben ene wo eye kwan eye health ene particularly eye health insurance claims no akwan ben enantoku ben na didam obonifu betimi afa ho de ediska ana se ede enya ne ho ena yehwe education mu so yehwe stores ese akwan ben na dida eye stores any procurement ho aye bonifu bi any payroll mu bonifu betimi afa ho na wode enya wo ho ana wode ebu oman no engage in corruption nti yeye no yehu ise ufa payroll ghost names no mu ne ade ene kwan ankofo wafa so ede ko aye IPPD ene so with primutua bribe ne ade ena there is collusion ebrimu ne headmasters no teacher for one go school na one headmasters na ko wontia bom no akọ sign nso no won go school saa nneɛma no nyinaa eboa Emma a young education no enya sinto enti ehwehwemu no ene ebeda na di ne ye nyinaa ye dwendwen kwa ye ka ehu bom ye betimi de abre na se entiment ase kra apomuden so efa health insurance na claims wo no sinto kakra ewo ho ebi ni say claim officers no One eye aswea wɔhwɛ apɔmuden anaasɛ wɔma apɔmuden hospitals no wɔn kabo na wɔn abu ayi a NIA ɔno wɔde claims wɔde bi ahyehyɛ mu na wɔn agye na wɔn akyɛ ebi nso no ɛne sɛ ɛsan sɛ claims ne kyɛ ne nti no obi wɔ hɔ a ɔwɔ interest ebi a ayi a hospitals no wɔn ahyehyɛ sɛ ebi a sɛ wobua yɛ na wogye ɛyɛ yɛn nsa ka yɛn sika ntɛm a wokyɛ fa ɛwɔ mu ni nti saa afɔ no wɔn claims no wɔ process no quickly ebi nso yɛ bribery obi wɔ hɔ a ogye adamude efi ɛyɛ hospitals no hɔ ansa na wɔ process wɔn claims no ama wɔn nti saa nneɛma no nyinaa ɛkɔ so saa nneɛma no nyinaa no ɛyɛ sinto a sɛ yɛanhwɛ ne yie na yɛntu so saa ɛbɛma nkurɔfo bi ɛnya wɔn ho na ɛyɛ health insurance no abrɛ n'ase ne tietie mu ara ne sɛ ɔman no sikasɛm ɛkɔ fam anaa sɛ ɔman no akɔnhama sika no yɛdan ne nkwanta a ne tie mu ara ne sɛ sika a ɛbɛyɛ available for mpontudwuma no ɛso tew na sɛ mpontudwuma nso nkɔ so a ɛno di ɛna ɔkɔ hospital a wɔsɛ mpɛ ni hɔ ɛduru yi ni hɔ wei ni hɔ nipa bebree ɛhwere wɔn kwa needlessly because sika no a yɛde bɛyɛ health service a yɛde provide health no obi adi ana obi redi oba education a yɛn nuanom mmaayewa no bebree ɛnya ɛnkɔ school anaasɛ wɔn adrop out of school because the teacher fo no nkɔ school na wɔn kɔ school no na wɔn nkɔkyerɛ ade na mmɔfra nso de wɔn nkɔkyerɛ wɔn ade a wɔn fa ne sɛ holiday ɛsɛ wɔn bɛkɔ fie na wɔn awofo asoma wɔn no wɔn nkɔ na wɔn nenam nipa abɔne nso aba wiase ebiara ne sɛ woba ɛyɛ guama mu a wɔsɛ wɔfrɛ biribi sex for fish wɔne ɛyɛ nipa bi bɛda sɛ wɔde bɛgye biribi kakra akɔtɔ aduane adi saa nneɛma yi nyinaa wɔfɛ afuru a na wɔn agya sukuu no kɔ nti increase drop out rate no ɛna afei nso no ɛma ɔman nankasa ahwɛ ghost names ɛwɔ ɛyɛ payroll so no ɛma ɛyɛ asoɛ no ɛnyɛ sika a wɔde bɛ employ more teachers nti yɛn sɛ teacher fo no the Ghana Education Service yɛn teacher fo dodoɔ naa nso dodoɔ naa nso ɛna ɛyɛ ghost names ɛwɔ payment but ebi ni ɛsa kwan yi bi so ɛna ɛyɛ affect ɛyɛ education ɛne health service delivery. Yɛ make progress bebree ebi ne sɛ na edi kan ɛyɛ abanyuma health ministry nom ne NHIS ɛne Ghana Education Service agye atum yɛn hwehwɛ a yɛ hwehwɛmu a yɛyɛ no wɔn agye atum ɛna wɔn nyinaa yɛde yɛn adwene akɔ kurom sɛ yɛbɛtu ɛyɛ findings yɛbɛtu ho anamɔn na yɛde asankan nti ɛyɛ big progress yɛfiri mmerɛ a anka woka wɔbɛka sɛ biribi saa ni hɔ denial to accepting and then ready to make to remedy the situation na progress ɛto so abien ɛyɛ sɛ amanfo no bebree ani abue ɛwɔ nneɛma bi ho enti sɛ ɔkɔ hospital na wɔregye n'adamudi bi a onim baabi a ɔbɛ reporting nti corruption reporting akɔ soro bebree so wɔkɛ sɛ yɛbɛko kata ahyehyɛ a nneɛma bi sɛ ne yɛhwɛ sɛ nipa ɛyɛ citizens yɛbɛ resist yɛbɛ reject ne yɛ reporting and that there is a lot of progress on that score because corruption ɛyɛ attitude na sɛ na akɔyɛ sɛ yɛ nipa su enti ɛnyɛ adeɛ a ne nkoe no wobɛfi kutupi na wakoe adi nkunim ɛsan sɛ nkurɔfo nhu wahu sɛ kan no na yɛka sɛ yɛkɔ kata ahyehyɛ a ne yɛakyerɛ obi ne yɛde no akɔdi ase ne yɛabu no kumfoɔ no atɛyi nti ɛyɛ nkurɔfo bebree sɛ wokɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ wokɔ kata ahyehyɛ na wonya progress wohu progress a ɛbi ne daabi yɛakɔ yɛn anim corruption nipa biara wofa ho di ɛyɛ guaranteed by the constitution enti until sɛ court bɛbu fɔ wobɛdi w'asɛm no wobɛbu fɔ no your rights are there and it has to be preserved enti yes yɛbɛkɔ kata ahyehyɛ but yɛpɛ sɛ yɛkɔ kata ahyehyɛ ɛwɔ mmara kwan mu sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a results no ɛbɛyɛ sustainable.
Ora Michael Kwame Bwedi eye adwuma ewo Transparency International Ghana Jumadi Butaya na esisuno a strengthening transparency and accountability for inclusive service delivery in Ghana. And no any Butaya na esi womo eniso. Na enya Transparency International Ghana enkwa enebedi se juma nemum omo no omo besuye eye Cape Coast Metro NCC ejumayefo ne sentino Metro Director ananse NCC Metro Director Ora Joseph Aban enso ebepie mu ewo dwumadie no ase a ode nano dinsem edit kudwa eche Coastal TV okasa no na woche mu se ye kase ye ko corruption ananse kataseche de a enye nipa ba ko adwuma o enye obi na enya enye aban panyimfo na enya na emom na sese ye nyina ye bo moden se ye nyina ye de entuma ebebo ano na yetimi etu kataseche proye ase ewo Ghana krakra
ye corruption fight now ye shared responsibilities. Yeni and say Yabuana fight this kind of corruption. Even though we have other corrupt agencies and I say almost fight with, but the bigger picture is the citizens. They say Jimena fair one shame. I am with the fight of this corruption and the canker. They say higher and indeed we cannot do anything. As much as in the prayer program, I was urged and I even expected say you come back, we should be change agents. I am fighting educated. Education is more important. Now, your name and shame. And with this, I think we can do something to make sure that at least we're minimizing to the lowest level. So it's the enforcement agencies, you know. And when it comes to this corruption substance, I want to find out some my way. Then that enforcement is to start from there. Now into we are enforcement. Then you fish them out publicly. So that's what we say. Nipa we na kwesa sadi so why this corrupt practices ya chin onu ni a and the very time of that. Na ban say bia na ye de omo esie ya manfo na ehu omo hwe e na say we are then obi so we say I'm so going to do. We are all doing it. But if that name and shame no about publicly ya na ama stroke kakra about system no more. Yeah, so the enforcement agency being the YOCO, the Ghana Police, STRAJ and other bodies should make sure say on officials who are doing it and a stiffer punishment to be given to them publicly.
Ora Joseph Aban oye Cape Coast Metro NCC Director na yete no enkano na yesanso ende opanyipa ye friend say Joseph Kwame Ado ono no eye hospital administrator ema Elmina Government Hospital etwetwe enkomo na yebisa no ensem baako mienu bi okasa no na ochem say ewom say corruption de eguso a ekoso ewo yempotem ade achi ade esan ye hu bi na mom enye nkrofo a moje no kwa na ewo say yede subo no ebo mo say meje corruption and say meje bribe na say wo no wentu ya eche say mintimi enye sa bribe no na mom say mi bisa na so de mamia eche say yemienu na ye exchange into corruption no na yemienu nyina na ye nti say efese ye to corruption ase pa dia ewo say ye hwe ne nkrabata ni nyina na ye hye ase efi ho na mom me afie ni nsi ba baby ba akoso na ye nya say ye to corruption ase ewo ho o kan sem bi so e kan we hu.
So I think some of them they are multifactorial. Some of them has to do with cultural background because Ghana baby obi area of course pharmacy now akotondro na ye de wanom nti say adro no kwanya sa yare no adro na wokoto ya wonom sa adro no na eche a ye wade bi a efe no drug resistance say malaria adrona wanom inso bia na nye malaria typhoid a ubenya malaria drug resistance nti eda obeba hospital a yede sa adro ko no abema wo no obehu say enye dwuma nti anye dwuma they will have to write they are more expensive edemawo nti they were talking about health sector mobile chron dro koma these are some of the issues or can also say Nkofuba hospital like because of Sikom Mojiche or Mohom, banning Pesio Moba. I can also have a cultural perspective to it because a one was a Cape Coast in Kura SAI train which ye be. Obi wo or who say research say to give birth in the hospital to be aided to give birth no does not make you feminine because when you have the bape e complain ebeko nipa ne file so onipa no ya ka che nipa say onko tromba mpempi dia obetene say Mamber reporto say munyi obi edi and obi adwuma embo no and then why are you reporting But say what reporting it to me, you should be a scapegoat. It will serve as a deterrent to others. And to me, I think you say yes. I was here dealing with cultural aspect, Sure. Public administration laws actually said don't take a gift from people because me come market na me koto ade na oni me as hospital administrator na wo che me ade a ochena me ba na me hu say wo di line so na wo wo tro ho a me kwa koyi wo afie to ho de wo abanim abe ma protocol gift na de ma me wo dwam no a influence me so yes don't take gift but yen culture no so yes won san be ye o de a enti say won san yem papa no bokura kan say ono teacher or train about school we no the sika man no say onye de ben on fanto electricity bill and culture so be I you should what appreciate the person but that also what deepens corruption and me I think say I was here dealing with cultural bottlenecks and some corruption we are able to deal with it.
When in Zambia, a course so a war not hall about Transparency International Ghana and the NCC in paying for a year said Jumedio high na ebeboa ama corruption and I say kataseshe ebetu ase ewo Ghana krakra. Yet also ewo nsem foma na ye call akwa nsem e course so a paying for a lunch and also say ABA 8-year development plan no omo epa ho entoma na efenso so omo de aye fundraising ama sa dwumadie no eno na dwumadie ase no mpanyimfo bebre ene kopie ase ewo ho local government representatives na nanom ankrankro nnwumaku ahodo nso ekopie mu ewo ho ni nyina aye kwan ya befa so a 8-year development plan for Cape Coast no ebetimi acheche mu aye mu mpensempense mu ama omanfo ate ase na efenso no sika kakra ebenya na efe ye de ahye dwumedie emukina no ebekoso papa opanyi ba ko a okasa aye a ye friend say owura nana ato dazi a ono eye former chief of staff ade ensem bebre eto omanfo anim na okasa ehre omanfo se Ghana ewom se yenyi ye de yemfi a yenya no ohwem abe se 69 yenhye da yemfi no nyankwa anim kra sanse wo fa America kra na o medi mfie be se 200 plus na niema ye kom no eye niema developed countries ni nyina nso ekomu nanso no ombo amode na omo ye adwumaden na omo ka omo ho bo mu te oman no omotimi aba bedwu mpempenso a omaba bedwu na kyese Ghana yenso ye betimi aye bibisa ensema okaka ho no yentie bi.
Ghana is a very young country as a nation, as a state. We are only 69 years. And we should always remember this as a state. We're only 69 years. America, 4th of July, was what? 250 years as a state. So, obviously, the problems we are seeing or facing, they face all that. Oh, as for the English, thousands of years, So we are going through something like a teething stage. That's why we must have faith in Ghana that we will also get there. But we are going to face challenges. But one thing we should always tell ourselves is that we will come together for the unity of the country. We will save it as a sovereign, unitary state. We also say this, and we particularly in Cape Coast will know and remember that we had our traditions, we had our laws, we had everything. A chief cannot give the cloth he's wearing to his son to wear it. No, it will not be permitted. You cannot inherit it. You cannot pass it on. There's so much. The money is with somebody else, another chief. If you need it, you have to consult. There must be a total agreement of all of us before, the council, before it can be released. These are our traditional laws. Today, the person who holds the money can be called, I'm just saying that, this is our history across Africa. Can be called by any head of state. Bring the money. Or we want to buy a plane, go and buy one. I know of a country in Africa some time back where the foreign exchange, like the Bank of Ghana type, was, in his backyard. They kept the money there. This is recorded documentation, But I'm saying that we will go through all these challenges, and it's because we broke our old traditional system. We didn't, but we had an imposition. 400 years, Nana, of slavery. 100 years of colonialism. It's real. They change our minds. They change our operations, everything. So when we talk, we must understand that we are in this stage because we are evolving, we are changing, we are in a transition. That's my subject. You see, we are in a transition. We are changing from the old to the new, from foreign system that was imposed to a new one. 22 years or 24 years after independence, we couldn't reconcile that. This country, every day there was change of government. We were fighting and battling. Every 2-3 years, another government has to come. Now, in 1982, something happened. The events of 1982 introduced a new dimension into our politics. Some people don't want to talk about it. But after 1982, up to today, we've had one singular peace in this country. We can refuse to acknowledge it. From 1982, we haven't changed government, like the M2 Abai. Which meant that what is it that we did right? Or what is it that our forefathers, our elders did that has brought us, 38 years or so of peace? I think we should look for it and then add to it, so that we can go forward. Another 40 years for Ghana in this constitutional era, or should change the dynamics completely of this country.
A former chief of staff and yetene kasa or kasa ewo ebra na mpanyfo launching 8-year development plan. Cape Coast 8-year development plan no na omosanso fundraising ama say dwumedie no. Yenko piemu ewo corruption insensem ya ho a chese nansen efene a obia edi ewo internet ntintan kese yesu bebi abefa bia edin a obia ebo AXA energies. Nyina bribery and corruption bi a ekọ so ama owura asante beekon a ono former MD Emma Tall ono na ne ho ne din agege sansensem mu asa wetia bribe de ama mpanyinfo bi ewo Ghana ha sei ama sa AXA energy omotimi de omo sesen aba bebo ewo Ghana ha sei na eba ne sa no mpo no ama US court afine ne owura beekon say onko dem san say oye guilty ne humbo mu pa. In fact asem no omohwehwe mu no na che say kwa no obekọ no akwa akodem eno ana attorney general edikrata bi pia bonten say bibia na US mpanyinfo behia say omode beye nhwehwemu ewo saa asem nim no ono ejinaye ema wo mo saa eniema ni nyina information bia no mu hia no ode ma wo mo ne science no nkrofo a ejije saa bribe no ewo Ghana ha say no ono attorney general ebegina no wabomode aye nhwehwemu sane ebeya obia ne ho bom mu ewo saa asem no ono so emra no ene ne bedi papa sa ensemi eho na MPP amanyoko no mpanyinfo aba bonten aba bekire mu se omode so omokasa omwogidie ewo saa attorney general osisu omokasa omwogidie ewo ni mu pa se ampani nuane ampa ha obeye hwehwemu ama omo a mo ho bɔ mu no omo ye MPP officials so omo ye NDC officials so emrano ni omo bedi a omo ka so omo wagidie pa na omo eboa esan se so omo hwɛ fiti mra ye de no si ade so sa Attorney General ensensem bebra na ewo ho cases bebra na ewo ho wa na adwen se obi gye mu egu ho na onfa ne nsan kakra bi te se cocoa board ensensemi senate sagleme housing project ne ekeka ka ho bebre no watimi agya ni nyina egu ho a ebesi na me no ka sei no omunhu ba bi a de asem no ekwa kofa na kire se Attorney General oni sa tumi no oni sa competence no se ode sa nkrofo a omo ho bon corruption insensemi ode omo ebema mra na mra eno omo adi ntine sa no na omo pese Ghana fo nyina ni mpanfo nyina ebehu se omo de baby omo gina ewo sa asemi emu no edo no
PP wishes to place on record its lack of confidence in the current Attorney General as far as the handling of this matter is concerned. Since assuming office on the 22nd of January 2025, Dr. Dominic Ayeni as Attorney General has been associated or has been keen with the filing of discontinuance or nolle prosequi or abandonment of prosecutions involving persons connected with both the previous government and the current NDC administration. We recall in particular the Attorney General's entry of nolle prosequi in matters including the SNIT scandal, the Saglemi housing projects case, the Cocoa Board related cases, the Unibank case, among others. These decisions have raised serious questions about accountability, the recovery of public funds, and the extent to which taxpayers may ultimately bear the financial consequences. Against this background, we do not believe that the Attorney General can command the confidence of the Ghanaian public to independently investigate or prosecute allegations involving officials or politically connected persons of the NDC.
Nana Ejay for ewa eye mrashe bejani emma Menchia South ono ND MPP amanyoko no enim na ode sansemi etuja yenko piemu ewo edwaman so na anope yemfa fanwobo ahodo a yewo no yemfa ento omanfo enim ende 14th of August 2026 no obomode na okopiemu ewo Shell filling station bia na kasa oto petrol na kasa oto 1 liter ebo no eye 16 cedis 29 pesos shenen so sa na diesel no so eye 17 cedis 49 pesos. Guam filling station also say petrol bo eye 15 cedis 99 pesos and na diesel no eye 17 cedis 26 pesos. Star oil petrol bo eye 14 cedis bacho mo fanchame. Star oil petrol bo no eye 15 cedis 49 pesos and na diesel no eye 16 cedis 97 pesos. Now okopiemu ewo Zen filling station eswa petrol 1 liter eye 15 cedis 20 pesos and na diesel no eye 16 cedis 46 pesos. Ya bomodin so na yekopiemu ewo JP filling station na petrol 1 liter eye 14 cedis 53 pesos and na diesel no eye 16 cedis 97 pesos. Na wa Frames oil announced Frames filling station no petrol 1 liter eye 14 cedis 15 pesos and na diesel no eye 17 cedis 35 pesos. Total Energies petrol 1 liter eye 13 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel no eye 15 cedis 95 pesos. Wabenab filling station so petrol 1 liter eye 13 cedis 80 pesos and a diesel no 16 cedis 27 pesos. Pacific filling station so SA petrol 1 liter bo eye 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no eye 15 cedis 98 pesos. Petrosol filling station petrol 1 liter eye 11 cedis 98 pesos and a diesel no eye 12 cedis 98 pesos. Shani so sa na be ya okita car o driver ni na okwa akoto fuel anope ya o cost filling stations ya mabobo so ya ebo we na omode eton other filling stations enso e kan ho na se wo call cityrate.com ubenya na wo de aye wo ahoboa. Yemfa anopa kasebo morning mix kasebo no yemfa ni nyina ensi ewo ha sei na efe Yenso aso consent fufuro mu enwuma fufuro mu na yemfa ne aka no so yemfa emesumu yetwa ho age aboafo nkratso yenche kra yebeba.
Okay. Na maba akwamdementi mendadem wo akwamdem minisika makaji loan walecham makaji loan kasibu wampawa walecham akwamdem Mejum guano, Eguana Maleja, Mifum Power, Mejum Guano, you coffee a combatum, Mukofia Mako Yade, Mukofia Mako Yade, Mukofia Mako Yade.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafango no e na afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwakodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone e wo apomodensem so fango nso e ho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
Yo, we are best fishermen. No, no one for mine. I watch it. You were for Belgium, it was the Belgium, it was two Belgium, why, oh, yeah, why, round, why, oh, yeah, why. Belgium one, a one with a Belgium one, Belgium one, Belgium one, a would do a Belgium one, Belgium one, Belgium one, a would do a Belgium one, Belgium one, Belgium one. Why your yell? Why brown? 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 Every papa no, what one is the motto? 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 Why brown? Why your yell? Why brown?
Shadye, boom, yentem, boom. You could do me like boom. Say Shadye, boom, yentem, boom. You could do them like juju. Kakalika, kalika, kakalika, kalika, kakalika, kalika, kakalika, mama, kakalika, kalika, kakalika, kalika, kakalika. Kaba, hey kaba, see them around, go hide for the tight corner, we know the shake mana, wanna, we know the fear wanna, they know the see say we know be in for that, wanna, them all are informants, Kalika, if I the dance I the just manika, okay we be caterpillar, you go see one day we go 10 to killer, Kalika, if I the dance I the just manika, okay we be caterpillar, you go see one day we go 10 to killer, Shadye, boom, yentem, boom, you go do me like boom, say Shadye, boom, yentem, boom, you go do them like juju. Kalika, 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 mama, kalika, 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 mama. Alhamdulillah, they come to go by. We drop it, they enter, sing, nobody go fi stop me. From now to July, go be banga wala. If you cry with my brother, Shadye, boom, yentem, boom, you could do me like boom. Say Shadye, boom, yentem, boom, you could do them like juju. Kalika, 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 mama, kalika, 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 kalika.
Coastal TV Morning Mix Jumedie and Oguso Awoshe ewe digital channel 514 no so on Facebook and YouTube. It's a beautiful Fridays edition. Omar Ben Abdullah. Bienvenue. Hein? Obichia bienvenue a o Jesu yanya. Me di we chia me French ni na be come no. Akwa about say. When you're crying to me, you're sure. But what me never yemfa I pay the one cat I and sa can yemfa ma yete for any year chef for. Always me aboa me or kwai me brace into the aboa me. Yes, I say every the daily graphic and the pay in same baby na odi apete front page. So Ghana needs urgent agricultural reforms to boost competitiveness across Africa. Reverend Albert Okran and na war kasei. Na ochemu say Ghana ye agricultural sector no ye agricultural industry no. Ehia se ye beye nhihye bebre, niema bebre no se ye wom. Nsachiraye bebre nso na ebehia se ebeye wo ho se na ebeye ebebo ama ye ne ye other African countries, other international countries ebetimi abo etipen eba no agriculture sector no emua. Arabic not compulsory, Education Ministry clarifies and into no harina idrisu ababe chechim acho manfo say Arabic no mo pese o mo introduce as one of the foreign languages ebesua ewo ye basic schools nim no enye compulsory enye by force into na edos no so mo Arabic o mo Chinese o mo French ne na kan kan into ne wo pe no na wasua enye compulsory by force ekona kokosua Arabic. Okay, graphic business Stanbic Bank push funding for transport sector. Okay, it's a graphic business any Stanbic Bank akom ho abom a chese omobe hwehwe funding bi a beboama transport sector, transportation Ghana transportation sector no eno so akoye na ejina ye ewo Ghana ha say. This is from the Daily Graphic.
Ghana Times kata and some people over 82,500 Ghanaians use hard drugs. That means if you are narcotic, payina or dano or your money Ghana. I don't know that means to go. See, it said it was some Casapa to me bonopo. Of Encore crashes claim 11 lives, India 13 road indiscipline blamed. See, it said there of Encore or Kwan no do now to me see that Sabi, a 2 minute in ya or yeah. Where it to my share, nothing but peanut, then automobile Monsano. Adachia, said a quando de Cosaco, nothing but pina or Ghana how on fat and jejuma and see about a champagne for more than if you want to know when any stakeholders push for fair and sustainable public sector pay system. Into the automobile remind there, our day paying for more than if you want to move. One now, which you Jumano. A conpa button after a share pa motuma bois, manazamba hunisika, some etum na afane temper frano, and oya Ghanaian Times so what to know the ABDULLAH. NHIS National Health Insurance Authority released 35.1 million for free primary health care services. Into Ohana paying as in can up with medron data, tam data, Nazama pinjan na water hunisika utumoto bois. Ma oye jumezi obuto akodo nazama abani jumefa nti oye National Health Insurance Authority also do hunisika etum na abaka.
Yeah, the Tabana Dada Chronicle no so ebetu akwa kujina ho na enim ha no o say hepatitis B. Your barber's blade could put you at risk. And internet ye ye. Mo amukọ baba ho say onyimuti ni ade nti wo bi a wo ne baba ewon kita hudie bia no kai na hu ni say o baba no the blade now odi yi wuti no ebetumi ama o hepatitis B chene so sa. Okay, Kingsley Ajuman defends his record. MPP election Koka Kujo cruising home for victory. Okay, nti eno so ne ensem bia every Ashanti region the regional chairmanship, NPP regional chairmanship no hono eno so every ho na eba.
Yako yina daily statement the ABDULLAH Napo Buzia's legacy must go beyond into the automotive there. Let's say opinion about busy or you're gonna do on so or you're not from the or see. Nujumeza way tomorrow or the autumn no okwe papa na autumn no boy. Let probe speaker Kingsley Ajuman lawyers tells UK High Commission. That says automotive kind there. On your Kingsley Ajuman also speaker here's the embraceable go fear workers a full another automotive into the some automotive Kotoka time was able to make baby here. Coca for Ashanti region at Chilaba to my Canada into MPP regional executive tomorrow. Yes, that's it. The man soon Kojo upon Chroma attends some of the MPP seek farmer friendly changes in cocoa bill into the automotive kind there. Oma kwana pa wotu waboa ma aye kwafa wodua koko ahoro no wono dwumezi na wonhye atwumne ewepe.
The Republic Press, you know, but one young to was Republic Press. NPP piles pressure on Aini over AXA bribery probe. Hence, I pay news na can want them. Say NPP among you corner say Omupa the Omunji Aini ndi crass or bits me. A handle sa AXA bribery and send me a Ghana has a Omunji Nindi. Police file Laboni robbery plot. 2 suspects killed. Now, Okopiemu ewa Laboni, I think Enra and Assassin no ESSIEN. Armed robbers phobia. Omako jina Zenith Bank be enim. Omote omumoto iso no mapaki no mujina ho. Ndi say okona okoko yisika ewa bank ho. Na upia kwa. Upie na no madiwechi. Nti omote tawa okoju baby ase edomu ni ho na yesi hey bring your money. No maji usika sa eno mo ye na enra de omo enyo muti anyidim kra police fo bi ezwa wo mo na ekoda na etu ototo nti am robbers fo no emu mienu e na hwere wo mo nkwa e na oh mienu am robbers fo no mu mienu e hwere wo mo nkwa e na ba ko de we pra pa sa enetie 12 dead, 22 injured in Onfanko crash. Me say, Omar Binabda, I don't know, say, but nan say me be Facebook, be a internet, me ko internet news be an accident in Kwana me home. Crash, we see what an accident, we see what a car, we anyway in your collision. Just say, I don't want to move internet.
But if not lost or quantum point of the
ish, I know do. Nkoko police investigate the decomposing body of toddler discovered in stream. And then no akola ketwa bi so ne emu omeyi efri ensuo bi mu na ohwe emu na de eyempo asaya ne sa na police for Nkoko police amoye investigation e wasa asem no emu. Police arrest man assaulting pastor in CID custody. Na sa asem we so ayedeja wo internet ne so na ete ne se nkofo bre e compare sa picture yi a police for no e de aba no nipa na o mache no tu nipa na obo asombo no e wo police station ho no mo chrem se o hwe san nkofo mienu ya difference bebre e wo e ka me say police for no person mu ntu futuro bi ngu nkofo ani no ma akwa chi nipa foforo bi a onye nipa na oye odi sa abone na e wo se ye chi no eno so matters arising e di mu ensem no e bebrem.
Daily guy 12 died, 22 injured in a Fakwana so bia na za to madobe and when I see oh yeah Nkrata no mumba baby na yetu miguru to mezema nazumba. Sign government 3 others sign MOU memorandum of understanding secure 30% large scale gold output. Scale na large scale gold output whatever. I don't want to do ha wuti. Nti CCI no MOU okwa ka sign na chere twa no to. Adamus fu hun sama to mo ba yan na ba wo. Wa ade ho license wa ya dem. Apply same rule for Galamsey, big miner, retired miner, and an assault to a catcher. I've been paying for 1 month and if you want to mention it. So 2 killed, Nigeria arrested. No summer bank, no robbery. If you guys can etumina as a abadada. MPP National Executive Election nominee upping 50K. 50K for chairmanship position. That's 50K, that's right. 5 billion. Hey. $50,000. Yes. It's like 5 million. 5 billion. Old currency, 5 billion. 50K, right. It's this kind of first thing I said, big cadet when you're 20,000 Ghana cedis. That is more money. This in the Navy, I could be able to patch. And I have only young putting a bit to work out 2 billion. Not the answer that I can wire free. Now, too much to shadow. Hey, young question name. Hey, Ubenya, some not caught some one. Then young corners paper, please. Ubenya, some not caught some one. Why the catcher was a day? Why Umbu be only one is here? Huh? Only one is here. Plenty people dey inside here.
Obenya asem na court am.
Plenty people.
What's the court am kwan? Obi an court no. You.
I'm sure.
Okay.
I'm sure. But I want to
daily analyst and the to aso. CCDA leads Ghana's 100,000 hectare oil palm push. And into TCDA, and Makobia, a tree crops association. No, now, Omuche, we say Ghana, yeah, tree planting and idea no way no Omudria, a 100,000 hectares, 100,000 hectare of oil palm trees. See, and no name same so if you were back. Majority chief whip hails 24-hour market interest free loans. You want majority chief whip and wabo a 24-hour market no like or chem say a the papa na ebeboa and interest free loans biswa e cost o ewo so no the details ni na ewo the daily analyst no emu police okay maka ho asem dada and NPP OSP nsensem no maka ho asem sanso na Kojorenchi presents memoir to Otumfo. Okay, to so a musician Kojorenchi one Otumfo say to nkita ho de bia e course. So women and leadership newspaper and amede etwa so so me try my own kanjem say me nka ma ade answer me nya me ka ma ade. Ghana could have about 68,000 female sex workers in 2026. New estimates suggest. And into no enhwehwemu bi akoso na eche say afi 2026 nkwa no mpo no Ghana ye female sex workers nkofo ejenji na kwan ho hye miniskirt ni abuskeleke ejenji na kwan ho eye osisi sankofo no Ghana betimi enya ema mako 68,000 omode omo ho age sa base brei emu eno ni investigation bi ekoso. Chobo MP donates medical equipment to health facilities. Honorable Gloria Owusu, Member of Parliament for Chobo constituency, and what donate health equipment, medical equipment be at the health facilities be at the constituency no emu. Samira Baumia, former Second Lady of Ghana, and Samira Baumia depends push for young women's leadership and empowerment. Ni na ayekwan ebefa so a emmabunu kankan emma no ebetimi ahye wo mo empowerment kwa kan say ebe empower wo mo say be wo betimi atake leadership positions e wo Ghana ha say. Ruth Sado celebrates youth, calls for greater investment in next generation. Director General of the National Service Authority and na chese obo emmabunu no abaso no sanso afre say investment bia whether money investments, training investments, empowerment investments, whatever I bet me the next generation of youth no omotimi enya fapem papa Ghana ha say no omomodin na omunya ni saa. Professor Dr. Grace Ayensu Dankwa, Deputy Minister for Health, say 986 mothers lost in 2024. Government intensifies action to reduce maternal death. Na Ushoma afi 2024 nkwa no ema omukọ awoso a omuamba omu a efi death delivery complications cesarean sections yeni bed ewo hospital ha okoye no obia anhwe no doctors nurses eyinani eyomani amano sansensem ni nyina whatever happened that ema obaby call awoso wamba no 2024 nkwa ya recording 986 cases, almost 1,000 cases in 2024. So in a year ema yetimi eluzi omutu awo so akwa wona wamba no yetimi nya be 900 plus cases you should know that onyem Ghana has say ya otikika. That is that for you. Yentuaso Omar bin Abdullah.
The National Voice Kujo Coca crashes MPP's twin power-based single their preferences into the mainstream in the Pinyo na no so to Santo region aya na de Santo Mantum aba otumo kwa kotono no yesho oye onua kujo na yekoka na yisa wotum abana wujam zezenzen if you were ho a ntetana ntedan na obaye onya abatenafo but if you were you police no musama wotum wache aya anka yufu ebien wo ye hona adwen dem wo kono akwa rob oye bank oye eco bank na zenith bank no police from say tuma aka bim etuma ahwe ho nkwa dama so na bim so etum na epipra dama na oye Bawumia has no list in Ashanti region MPP contest 8 ama payin that do neje Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the current fabric of MPP ni 8 achensem de onye list biara onye favorite biara favoritism biara nti asama otum no orakan point yenko.
The Ghanaian point and so at the Nsembi Ababetuja about Adamu's mining resources. Now, Minister for Lands, I say Adamu's mining assets not for sale despite lease revocation. Lands Minister and all Kasei. Now, Oshem say a woman say Adamu's mining resources omaji license if you womu ensemu dear. Name omo assets no mining assets no enye for sale. Obi anshan is wa pesa wonton. You are warned. Young Ghanaians deserve opportunities to build their future. Bawumia and all Kasei. Ochemsa Ghana emabunu enso ehia se ombenya akwanya na omatimi abuildi omo dachi ewa Ghana ha say. Bolgatanga Airport to take off by end of 2026. President John Dramani Mahama and all Kasei. No ochemsa Bolgatanga Airport no encha kopim se 2026 ebeko na wiye no na airport na sha se eye adwuma. Okay. NPP sets October 3 for national executive elections. Nominations open for August 17 and the date then 14th. Until by August 17th ne dey wa person kofa form no bomodia na kofa odie na koko file for position na open say October 3 kokromoti power ebesu ewo October 3 October 3 na MPP primaries no ebeba so. All right, that's this for the Ghanaian points.
The Supremo oya this papers no some no ni hina bobodo oya robbery to makodo oya bank akoro krata no so tum no ada abaden osana waachi binim so etum na egon the mass na oya MPP oya abato akwakoto no delegate hina which na hune sem oya sentiment ho adwene wo oya kokwa apia do chair the party your edasi. Pressure group demands parliament probe into AKSA bribe allegation. No so abama oya MPP wo dan ho yato ntampal ada 12 about wanted say we onkum biem obobozi na nka obi yiwan no na nsampi nyen etum ne ACC MPP demand independent probe into holy rain. Holy rain scandal over ASA power deal. Hey, holy rain. Chat and do baby I hear you so chat you. Chat from today boko bibia boko baba echiri bitumi ehia. Ka chat ala no aka. Nti holy rain when abati. Ya nti asan ni email so I what send. Hey, WhatsApp no so bo hwehwe email pa na no hwehwe mpo yan kra.
Oh no dey.
Nti wo send me na. To wo email no so ambo. Wo yi hu ama. Udasa.
Anka mani ni omo mana.
Ai.
Oh yeah, they na enye no mani ni omo.
Chole holy rain. Bibi o holy Bible.
Make it rain.
Chairman Kujo said to me, ESSIEN region MPP chairmanship Yoyedasi. Dr. Kingsley Ajiman, lawyer, hits back at UK High Commissioner. Nihina ya aya hwehwebena se bia mpanyfo wotum no obisa yon kofiba.
Yenta so ewo the New Morning Post newspaper. I say engage now Africa and sign Global University sensitize students on human trafficking. And it's no from say engage now Africa and sign Global University and omode sensitize kwa be kan say and church okay. Okay, yen kan sa. Amode ncheche bi ama students bi efano human trafficking ensensem ya ekoso e wo Ghana ha say na obetene ya chi obi ene ya kidnap obi ene we ayira say ni say ya. More Ghanaians dying on Libya route to Europe, buried with Muslim rights, Hannah Tete warns. Na ochemu say enipa bebre na me fi say Libya kwantu anke ejayo. Mo da so ye Libya kwantu. Ochemu say Ghana for bebre na na ehwere omon kwa e was Libya kwantu mo ofa Libya na wakọ Europe. Ofa Libya na wakọ Europe. Omuju desert no so a gone too soon. Na chese eno ne nsem bi so a ekoso e wo ho. Volta Regional House of Chiefs pray courtesy call on the Minister for Foreign Affairs. And see, Volta Regional House of Chiefs na omo akwakosra foreign minister. Self-reflection on the value of being truthful to yourself. Yo. The stool of Osu has spoken. Yo. And also in same so details no the Morning Posts.
Yeah, free press. Free press kata no so. No, so somehow other than the honor no. Desmond Frimpong Manson advanced MPP faithful. Into Desmond Frimpong Manson no so autumn no Orokobi. Into the autumn no Orche no mama to former MP Haji Halima Mahama in $21.4 million US mess. Oh baby, I get it that dog it's in my mess to my back. The dad don't have jacket in the fee. My name is Abba. Hey, Ghana. Kwame Nkrumah National Park is the most visited tourist site. Now, where you another terminal accident. Free press to be on the new standards on every Monday. Oh, campaign for. Shake up at the national security security. What about that's young AFIBA young.
The informer in chat so and pay na samba kwa e da ha me pese ye kan wasem na say galamsey words of and Mahama Erocha Ghana na omoka sa asemi say so wo hwe galamsey nsensem the way see eko and omompanyin John Dramani Mahama ni administration na say aye west cra the westest s under Mahama administration. Police file, okay, I can't watch them. Upper East Airport construction to begin by end of 2026. That's why until now, I took a pause because I was wondering, take off, no, is it construction and I say but okay, the informer is clarifying that and say be almost here we name it's going to the construction is going to begin by end of 2026. I feel omode aso eba bebo from na omasha said na de ne cement na e kan ho esi airport no. Okay. Yes.
But you go African today then chira una de.
I asem na
African today.
Asem na
African today.
Asem na ho ye go African
today. MC I want to momo. He is a man we what?
Okay.
The Eastern region want to the flag bearer want to be a baby abo dombra. No, we him for man we be na abo man all be. Say if you African today kacha na ehunu we baby abo dombra. Nti mpokoro no alabano no no budu baby na che bi ate ho a chere kumbe no. Nti
he's the man we want. Eastern Region NDC grassroots declare support for David Dakuji chairmanship bid.
Yeah. Nti egbe na abo dombra. Adomi hina that's I want to know I'm afraid we be na abo. The president ke she baby we be na abo. President on time be abo. I do be abo na to na for tumu afu. And e bi be ya ma no to no afu. But other program ya say we should check. Now with the chimebren there. Nti wuruso mama. We are not give security. Security is no. Give is another happen.
Na oma okujeto ablakwa ni di ye togbe oye togbe.
It depends on
I say togbe wogbeji ablakwa donate 3,000 furniture a picture what they abaha so okujeto ablakwa mfonyi ne da so.
It depends on how I can say be o campaign is no but on time use. Kojo upon kroma de me ended that medicine is a Vincent or something. Yes. Yes. lady no boy na ne presenters on him home pono yo no say yes chocho izimbo ho you are ohini bi wa Cape Coast ha our chief of staff was the moye Osabara Dr. Bisata ofan na kudwokra but nizina ngisa the more you see answer na nizina ban ofan Dr. something Frimpong and abo izina na ahwede na kudwokra atum na eze ima akopenya na tere ehuna bi nso kitezi na no mo ye debata hinzini nti na ndeze ne atum da ato nta ekwesi ni fuma bu hu je ni foforo da ofani makelesi ye dan ye we aba ye ba aye za wa ke biare ebokodo na efi na nda hu ya anwuma na bi baba na efi etum ye da asa
now answer never kono or see a trailer kakra because then we are going to talk constitution yababe kasa about the constitution of Ghana yen
Ejo was no shot the offenses here woman
constitution
if you are mamma more
say mra Ghana mra yen you want to know fresh how I say constitution and America
wow papa de bi o cheche
papa why not de bi o cheche
and the pian po aba ya no story am Apen Joseph Aban
o kan constitution local
ota obo am born fancy ye bi imponent
enyam na me show constitution 1992 constitution na Ghana ye de ye ejuma ewo has
Ghana me kuyim na Ghana to be ejuma ana na obogwa me yetum ya atase embra kuyim adoso
we say one kan every day has
ana pia really papa wa aka anti na musumka chodo ana pia mpo we butwa so to ye hu de watum na
ba cho ye kwa ba sese
ye ba kwa ba mu